Project 1, LED light bar. In this project we'll flash a row of LEDs back and forth in sequence. Parts required: Arduino board, breadboard, jumper wires, 8 LEDs, 8 220 ohm resistors. How it works. An LED emits light when a small current is passed through it. LEDs are polarized, which means one side is positive and one side is negative. This is because the LED will work only with current flowing in one direction, from positive to negative. The longer leg of the LED is positive and must connect to a positive power connection. The Arduino sketch controls the sequence of flashes. LEDs are delicate parts, requiring only a small amount of voltage to light up. To prevent the LEDs from being overloaded with voltage and burning out, we use resistors, which limit the amount of voltage passing through them to the LED on the other end. You can change the color of your LEDs and use this light bar to decorate a car, scooter, bike, picture frame, subwoofer, or almost anything else you choose. The build. Insert the LEDs into the breadboard with their shorter, negative legs in the GND rail at the top of your breadboard. Then connect this rail to GND on the Arduino. Connect the LEDs in sequence to Arduino digital pins 2 to 9. Place a 220 ohm resistor between each LED and digital pin, ensuring that the resistors bridge the center divide in the breadboard. Check your setup against figure 1 to 2, and then upload the code in the sketch below. The build. Troubleshooting. If none of the LEDs light, make sure you've connected the GND wire from the Arduino to the correct breadboard power rail and that the Arduino has power connected. If only some LEDs light, check that the LEDs are inserted the correct way, with the longer wire to positive power and the shorter wire to GND. Check that the resistors are inserted fully and lined up in the same row as the corresponding LED leg. Make sure the LEDs are connected to the Arduino pins defined in the sketch. The first part of the sketch defines pins 2 to 9 as outputs, so these are the pins you should use. Troubleshoot. If an LED still fails to light, it may have burnt out or be faulty. An easy way to check is to swap the LED with another in the sequence and see if that resolves the issue. If you find that the LED works in another position, it means the resistor is either faulty or not inserted fully. Thank you.